Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV in Turlock, California. Now I'm Marty from Best RV in Turlock. I'm presenting you a beautiful Class B motorhome behind me. It's a brand new 2026 Tellaro Sport 20LS. This motorhome is built by Thor Motor Coach. It's sitting on a Ram chassis. It's the Tellaro 20LS Sport. As you see from the beginning of this video, on the 26, they give you a sensor for the front. That's a sensor on the 26. Also, they give you a sensor in the mirrors. So when you do right turn and left signals, it pop up with this color here. This triangle piece will light up if some object next to you and make it easy for towing and safety. These are heated mirror. And they added a live 24 hours mirror camera on the dash on the front. So let's go inside and show you the cameras, because sometimes it's very hard just talking. So as you see, I'm sitting here on the new chassis. If you look, this one, if there's an object, it's gonna go light up, but unfortunately there's no object. Will light up like a car. Then if you notice, this is the live 24-hour camera. And when I put reverse here, what's happening, two things. You have the camera come with RAM on the dashboard in their entertainment center, and you have the camera on the back. So you have this two camera. On the 26th, they come with the lane assist. As you see here, on, off, I could turn lane assist. As well, it has the adaptive cruise. And the adaptive cruise, you will see it here in the dashboard. And I could do adaptive cruise. So this is the major features of the 26 chassis versus the 25 chassis. Adaptive cruise, the mirrors, the two cameras. Other than that, the Ram chassis is still the same between 25 and 26. Let's go on the motorhome and the new changes they did, Thor Motor Coach. First, they add a step for the driver as well the passenger. That's a new. And the step for the passenger is a long one. So you have the passenger as well, the entry door. This is a solid step. You could see, I could stand on it. There's no issue. Rough textures to make it easy so you don't slid. And you come up from the motorhome. It come with the power awning. As you see, it has a power awning with LED light. If the cameraman come this way, he will see the LED light. It has the extra outside table. So you can put things here. And also, if you want to cook outside, you can. Because I could take this induction cooktop. We talk about it. All the Thor Motor Coach come with the gray stone conduction. And then I put this here, and also I could cook outside, and there's a plug. I could plug it in if I choose. So I could cook outside or cook inside, whatever you like. There's a really nice handle to get in. And then you have a table. So you could see the structure. You have a beautiful table inside, table outside. You could spin the chair. We're going to go more in detail when we go inside. But let me cover up the outside. So you can see it's a nice window, glass, dark tinted window. And you can see right here, Tellaro Sport, plug for 110, cable hookup in case if you want to put TV outside. It has LP Connect if you want to hook up the barbecue. And a beautiful back door. And voila, you have easy to get in. You could go through the shower, or you could go walk from the main door. It give you also a place for towel racks. The door is finished. There's a place here extra. You could put your power. I put the power cord, but you could add more stuff to it, power cord and so on. You could run the water pump. You could do a light, all controlled from outside. It's already provided with the Class 2 hitch in the back. This is the outside light. Now, any floor plan of a Class B, and there are 20 footers or 19 footers, and they have the bathroom in the back, automatically come with a black water tank. So because I had a couple customers coming here said, look, I need a rear bath, but I want a cassette toilet. And that's only on the 18 Sport. Yes, the bathroom in the back and is a cassette toilet. But when you get to the 21, the 20 models, they come with a black tank, and you can see the valve here, and you're going to see a gray water tank. So this motorhome has a gray water tank, a black water tank, and a fresh water tank on the 20. Let's emphasize that. This is a Sani flush. That's a big deal. You could flush your poop tank you have. This is the Truma furnace as well, the hot water heater, Truma. And again, be careful, this get hot when you're camping. City water fill, and the water fill here, this is to go direct from the faucet to the unit, and this is water fill to fill the fresh water tank inside the unit. 30 amp power cord. It comes with a power cord as I show you. You just plug it in here and you plug it in the campground. Cable hookup and additional solar panel hookup. And this tube is where you store your black water tank. Sorry. You store your black water hose, the poop. You could tell from the video there's a 200 watt solar panel on the roof, 13,500 PTU air condition, Truma heater and furnace on the unit. But let's walk in from the back. There's a beautiful bathroom. You already have the fan here. There's a fan. You open it and run of 12 volt, and there's a switch on the wall, and you could bring it in and you close the fan. Big closet, you could see, it's very roomy. Over here, that's the place where you store the table, and I'll show you how I store the table in a minute. There's the doors. Now, no worries in this cabinet because you're going to have a curtain, because you're going to put the curtains around. Because I asked me somebody say, wait a minute, you take a shower on the No, you put the curtains, you sit in the toilet, and then you take a shower. So everything's protected, not having water coming on the wood. So it comes with curtains. Now you can see here, this is the light, this is the fan. You click the switch. You see now? You hear the sound? And I could on, off from the switch. And the light, I could on, off from the switch. Nice medicine cabinet. And then you have a beautiful sink. Wash your face, wash your hands, whatever you want to do. When you're done, you scoop the water from the sink down in that drain, and you close it like that. And when you want to do the outside, the shower, very simple. You sit like that. Again, you put the curtains first, and then you take the shower. So this is from the showers, and then these are pocket doors. Very straightforward. Close them, you put the curtains, you can't see nothing. Now let's go inside the unit. And then I want to tell you why people, they like this floor plan. Now, why people, they like this floor plan? Two things. First, easy to walk in from the back as I demonstrate that. When you close that, you don't see no bathroom. And if the husband driving and the wife tired from sitting on that seat, she could come here and take a nap. Ah, beautiful. So the wife, she could lay down here on the bed while the husband driving, or either or. It gives you ability to sleep without turning anything to bed. As well, there's a bed here and bed there. And especially like me, I snore at night, and my wife, she go nuts. She could sleep there, I could sleep here. She's kind of far away from me. But it also, this bed, I want to emphasize something for you, because everybody asks me, it comes with the storage underneath it. Okay? Now, this two single bed, I could make it one big bed. How? By doing this. Let me just raise this so you could see. It's okay. We're going to take the table. And by the way, this is eating table. Before I take it off. Eat, enjoy the view. There's a location here over here. And let me see. Yeah, I could put a TV on this side if you want. Again, A lot of people, they say, look, I want to go camping. I don't want to watch TV. I'm going to enjoy the nature. This is a nice eating table, and this is removable. So we take this one off. And then you remember I told you I'm going to show you where this table go to. I'm going to open this bucket door, remove this curtain, open this, put it on this rack with the strap. Voila. You could see the table. It's in the place. It's not going move. This part, you could take it two pieces. Again, I am weak and I can't push it, but it's coming slowly. That's when and store them anywhere you want. I give you just quick demonstration. Now, so as we talk, a guy could sit here. I mean, a lady could sleep here. Okay. The gentleman, I could sleep here. My wife here. But listen, I want to cuddle with my wife at night. And I want to make it a big bed. Do to make it as a big bed. So if you want to cuddle with the wife or somebody or your partner, put the support. Now support is in. Take this piece. You can see there's a board underneath it to support that. Put it in. The second piece. Brand new. Never been broken. You bring this one further. And you have a nice big bed. Close this door. Their magnet. Voila. And you can sleep anywhere you want. One, two, easy. So you can sleep two people. Oh, beautiful. Good timing. Good night. Good night. But just to show you how it's so easy, you put the support, you put the two cushions in the back and become one big bed. So that's why people, they like the 20LS is you could do two single bed or one big bed. Now to put it back, very straightforward. I'm going to do everything the opposite. Put this cushion in the back as it was. Close this. Push it backward. Voila. I'm done making the bed. And again, look how roomy when you take the table away from the middle. So roomy. And then they support it with this old storage places. So all those side is the storage cabinet. You could plus underneath this one, half of it is the storage. Come with the beautiful windows with the shade. Self-closing. Good counter space size. Look how big it is. USB charger and 110. Big sink. Cutting board. Fridge and freezer. Oh, right there. 3 doors. Self-closing. This table, you flip this chair. And you see, after I push it, I could lower it. Over here, I could do push back, push, or I could further. And then I could play with armrest. And I could do, and I could push it further if I want more or if I want to backward. So now I sit on the table, enjoy the view of the TV. If I want to put a TV, eat, enjoy the kitchen, enjoy the bed, enjoy this Class B.